service performed by John Sinclair Nissan. New oil filter and 5,000 miles synthetic oil change. BG engine performance restoration. It dissolves deposits, prevents sludge buildup. BG Advanced Formula W/MOA stabilizes oil viscosity, sludge and varnish. BG Fuel System Cleaner restores vehicle performance and power. Winter Service Special, Fuel Injector Treatment, Fuel System Dryer and Coolant System Additive, Replaced Air Filter, Replaced in-cabin microfilter helps with allergies. New wiper blades, balance and rotate tires. Brake fluid service replaced all old fluid. Optional equipment, automatic headlamps, black 3-piece hardtop, deep tint sunscreen windows, Freedom Panel storage bag, front 1 touchdown powered windows, leather wrapped steering wheel, no soft top, power heated mirrors, quick order package 24S Sport S, rear window defroster, rear window wiper/washer, remote keyless entry, security alarm, speed sensitive power locks, sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors, wheels, 17 by 7.5 Tech Silver aluminum. 1822 City/Highway MPG.